Hi, this is Amin, top rated Facebook advertising specialist. In this video, I will share you how to set up your professional Facebook ad campaign step by step. Before getting started, you need this requirement. First of all, you have to Facebook ad account, then you should have Facebook page, then you should have ad asset like video or images, then you have to give a basic idea about your target audience, location, and daily budget or lifetime budget. If you have this information, then we can start. So let's go on my Facebook dashboard. If you need help on the Facebook advertising or also Google advertising, you can contact me on link in the below. You can contact me on Upwork. I am the top rated freelancer on Upwork and I am working as a Facebook ad specialist and also Google ad specialist last 4 years. So I can help you on your project, and also you can contact me on my Gmail number. Thank you so much. First of all, you have to click the create option, then choose your object. Here you can watch awareness, traffic, engagement, and lead object, app promotion and sales. What you need, select. I will select lead option, then select the manual option. Write a campaign name, then write your ad set name, then also write your video name. Then you will select advanced campaign budget. You can select this option, then select your fix your budget 10 USD. Okay, then select your custom audience, website form and instant form. If you want to get received on your website lead, then you have to set up pixel first. If I select website, then you can see pixel, or if you do not have set up pixel, just click instant. Then I click the instant form. Then we need to target our audience. Click the switch original audience, then use original audience. Then custom audience, I already select custom audience. If you don't have custom audience, you need to create a custom audience. I just select this audience. Okay, then I will click the next button. You need to set up your ad images. I will select a video. Okay, so I will upload this video. This video is uploading still, so I need to write an ad copy. I just write a quickly ad copy for this campaign. I will set up call to action button now. Apply now. Okay, then here you can create form. I already created form, so I just select this form. Okay, so everything is fine. Still I will click this option and duplicate our ad set, and finally I will do click 4 option. Okay, everything is fine. Duplicate, yeah, it is the main reason I use my $10 budget for 5 ad set. The ad set who will be perform best, Facebook will invest more amount on this ad set. For this I use this strategy. Now I'm going to finally everything is published. Here you can see no error has occurred. Okay, after reviewing, this ad campaign will be active. So if you need any help on Facebook ad campaign, you can contact me on Upwork, and you will find my contact information in the link below. So you will contact me on Fiverr or Upwork, and also you will contact my email or WhatsApp ID. Every video every video on the link below. You will find my contact information here, my email, my WhatsApp number, and also you can contact Fiverr on Upwork. I am a top rated Facebook advertising and Google advertising expert. I am ready for helping. Thank you so much for watching this video.